Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best RGB mechanical keyboard. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's a result of research for our. We ranked the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5, brand name, Skylung, model number, GK61. Skylung GK61 is a portable mini-size mechanical keyboard, designed with DIY backlit and high-quality suspension key. It is superior to the multi-language layout, including 61-key US layout, aims to provide you the comfortable native language keyboard. Tiny size ultra-compact mechanical keyboard. The design is super thin, lightweight, small size, simple appearance. 61 keys keyboard is portable, comfortable, portable, and can be carried with you at any time, anywhere, familiar with typing. Highlighting our unique pursuit of work, learning and gaming. The 61 keys compact layout makes it ideal for reduced spaces. Compatible with Windows 2000, XP, Vista, Win 7, Win 8, Win 10, Mac. RGB is such a cool element while playing games. SK64 fully knows your needs, and thus this model is equipped with RGB SMD light. More than 16.8 million lights are available. Hundreds of lighting effects are available for download, and we continue to update it to the latest. Skylung 61 keys mini mechanical gaming keyboard with a scientific stare-up keycap design brings maximum comfort, keeping your hand in a most natural state to minimize hand fatigue after long-time use and help you minimize typos. So it's designed for gamer, office worker, copywriter, programmer, typing teacher, gaming and editors. Gaming keyboard with built-in anti-ghosting technology. The keyboard lets you perfectly execute up to 61 commands at the same time, every time. No any intermittent or lagging response problem. Type-C interface ensures stable and convenient connection. Number 4. Brand name, Logitech. Model number, G512. G512 is a high-performance gaming keyboard featuring your choice of advanced GX mechanical switches. Advanced gaming technology and aluminum alloy construction make G512 simple, durable and full-featured. Roamer G Tactile is ideal for competitive and FPS gaming and provides a discernible tactile bump during actuation. Aircraft-grade 5052 aluminum top case is anodized and brushed for a slim, premium design plus rigid durability. Enjoy the media and lighting controls right at your fingertips. Number 3, brand name, XVX. Model number, M61. This 60% keyboard is with unique XVX profile PBT keycap and themed shell, showing the Coral Sea pattern in 360 degrees, which have excellent touch experience and long serving time. The colorful design can bring a more pleasant mood to games or work. Built-in 1850 mAh rechargeable battery to allow the wireless keyboard lasting for longer than 10 hours of continuous use. High-performance 2.4G wireless keyboard up to 10-meter wireless working distance, enables the keyboard to achieve long-range wireless control. Number 2. Brand name, Redragon. Model number, K618 Horus. The Redragon K618 Horus comes with Redragon innovative first general 3-mode connection technology. Built-in upgraded 3.0 or 5.0 Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz wireless chips. K621 offers a real wireless and no latency connection for all devices in the market. Easy to toggle among different devices in 3 modes set no limits of possibility. It features a 30% cuted ultra-thin design with dedicated media control. Low profile designed throughout the whole keyboard from the bottom board, middle brown mechanical switches, and the top keycaps aim to shorten the distance to actuation as much as possible. Number 1. Brand name, Redragon. Model number, K617 Fizz. The Redragon K617 Fizz 60% keyboard has a new layout with mixed color keycaps in 2 colors and wired mode. Unique keycap color and 61 ultra-compact keys free up valuable workspace, while adding colorful accents. Expand your options using the available software to design your own new modes and effects found on Redragon Shop. Macros with different key bindings or shortcuts for more efficient work and gaming. The keyboard itself has the option to pick from up to 20 preset backlighting styles.